Today we will see about the Java basics and how to create a Java project. First of all, let me delete this. And yeah, you are saying this, right? Yeah, this is called the Java Development Kit. You can see menus here. You will see the various menu are here. I I click on File, click on New, and then click on Java Project. Give whatever name you want to give. I just give the Java introduction and I click on next and then finish. Yeah. So here we can see the Java project has been created. In the Java project, there are system generated runtime environment system libraries are there, jar files are there. There are a lot of jar files to responsible to run the particular program or project of Java. So here in source file, what I will do, I will create one package. It is actually structured method to create the classes. Packages are nothing but the collection of classes which is which on in which package how many classes are there, how many, what are their functionality. So that's why package creation is the good practice of Java programming. So I will create the package and I name, I give it the name as day 2 and click on finish. And the date in day 2 I'll make class called Java Basics. So here you can say the static main method is there, constructor from super class is there, inherited struct class is there, generate comments is there. I don't want anything of that. I just want the main method and I click on that and go finish. Here is the class you can see. So there are multiple ways to declare a main method in Java. If I do like this, string and the string array name args is there, and then I put the array signs, the square bracket signs over here, then it is also fine. It will also allow us to run the program. If I put like hello world here, then yes, we can do like this also. See, if I do like this, then it is also fine. But yes, we cannot change the data type of an array because JVM has set the main method format, you can say. So we have to declare the data type as string. If we put here double or int or any other variable name, then you cannot run the Java application. See here, you cannot see the Java application run as a Java application. It is not allowed to run that application. So here is the one thing, and also the one thing is, if you remove the static from over here, then also you cannot run the Java program because main method is static always static. You cannot modify that one. If I do like this, uh public static or static public, then it could work. Yeah, this one. Yeah. And if I like do like string dot 3 dot and args, or we can say Komal Patil. If because ARGS is a variable name, it is not any keyword you can say, or any not any predefined functions or predefined properties of Java application. It is actually a variable name, so you can change the variable name. It is user defined, so no worry about like that. So there are multiple ways to declare a main method, but yeah, there is some mandatory keywords or data types. We have to use that only. Static is mandatory, string is mandatory. If I put semicolon over here or over here also, then it could be work. Let's say yes, it could be work. It is not a compulsion that you have to put the semicolon. If I remove the first mandatory semicolon from here, from the ending statement, then it will give me an error. It will not run the program. It will throw the error because the statement has mand- uh, this statement should should have a semicolon, so it is mandatory. If we put multiple semicolon, that is all totally fine. That is totally fine. It will work. Yeah. So in Java Basic, we will learn about this main method, and the second basic thing is variables. So what is the variable? Variable is nothing but the piece of memory where we store or store value or store it. So there is lot of data variables in Java. So for declaring the variable, we need to uh, we need the data types as well, because what kind of variable it is just uh, we come to know what kind of variable it is from the data type as well, some kind of that container. So data type is nothing but the what kind of your piece of memory is declaring, showing that what kind of memory it is a string type, or it is an integer type, or it is a float type, it is a double type. We come to know about the variable specification from the data type itself, how what kind of variable it is. Yeah. So how to declare the variable? The data type name integer a is equal to 0. So a is the name of the variable, and integer is the type of that variable, and we are assigning the a 0 value to a. It is an integer. If I put like this, if I put integer variable, declaring the integer variable, and giving is the value as Komal, it is not allowed, but because Komal is a string and integer a is a number kind of variable, so it is not possible, it is not allowed in Java.